I really need to study a lot and I hardly find Brian any information about Brian on the internet. I watch his interviews, reviews. I spend at least 2 days searching about him, okay? Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to the second episode of the series. Monetize app and he knew how to play ads on his app. And the third thing was privacy, and this way it is fundamental and he stick to them. You'll get to know about his fundamentals later in this video, okay? With this, learning number 4 from Brian Acton is for play bold, be fucking bold, okay? You need to take the risk, okay? Without risk nothing you want. You really need to take the risk. He left his job, he started applying in another job, and he started his own startup, and it was pretty miserable time for him, but you should be taking it. With this, learning number 5, never ever compromise with your fundamentals, okay? Long story short, he sold WhatsApp to Facebook, and Facebook buying, and everybody knows Facebook is an advertising giant, but he knew his fundamental. I told you previously in lesson number 3rd, I think, and he stuck with his fundamental. He took loss of $850 million, but he stuck with the fundamental. You should be get ready. Just imagine you were in his place. Would you have stayed with your fundamental? I don't think you would, or even I would have stayed. So lesson number 5 is really important. With this, learning number 6, every dip is an opportunity. It is said by a famous investor. I really don't remember his name. I actually know his name, I think, but I'm not remember. But long story short, he left Facebook. He left Facebook, and he was also board of director in Facebook. For your info, I'm telling you. But okay, every dip is a new opportunity. He sold WhatsApp to Facebook, but he come with Signal Foundation, now known as Signal app. Okay, and he's trying really hard to get Signal up, and basically due to India changes policy and privacy is an key element in that. So Signal is getting huge support from India, okay? So every day is an opportunity. You should be knowing that. With this, lesson number 7, hard work. You really need to hard work. he turned his blood into water. That amount of hard work he had done in starting WhatsApp. And with WhatsApp, WhatsApp rolled, and he just took this fundamental, and now he was, I think we would have won really, bro, but he didn't. He really worked hard and started a new app, Signal, and I think Signal will overtake WhatsApp in 2-3 years of lifespan. Before we end our series, I think Signal would have overtake WhatsApp, because you know every day is a new opportunity, as I said earlier. So with this, lesson number 8, lifelong learner. Okay, you have seen this and you will say, oh yeah, now should we? No, you don't need to join college, but you need to be a lifelong learner. Okay, he's still learning many things. He's working 16 hours a day just to make Signal better. And one thing, he is not willing to compromise with privacy, and that's his fundamentals. Okay, and I told you, you should know your fundamental, and that's his fundamentals. So be lifelong learner. Even an ant teach you many things. Never give up. Never ever give up. With this, lesson number 9 from the Brian Acton donation. Okay, I think most of you guys don't know that, but Brian Acton had donated $1 billion till the date. And believe me, $1 billion is not a small amount. It's really big amount. So I want to tell you, most of the entrepreneurs have this thing in common: donation, or giving something back to earth, and helping mankind, helping animal, helping tree, many things. But I want you guys to think, look, a lightning candle can only light a candle. For that you need to money, but the money you earn, he had donated, and he every entrepreneur or every person is a great donor. Okay, and I want you to be a great donor. Maybe even 5 cents to someone can be a really big amount for them. Okay, with this, lesson number 10 and the final lesson from Brian Acton: sure vision. Okay, he knows his fundamentals, and you know what he exactly wants, and I want you to have a sure vision what you want, and you will find a way to get there. Okay, he didn't knew how he would start Signal, but he know he will never compromise with his fundamental, and he has sure vision of what he want and how he want will come through the way. See, first step is really hard to take. It was really hard for me to start a YouTube and start creating this thing, but one of my mentor has told me, take a dream, multiply it by 10, and now that's your dream. Actually, it was supposed to be 100 days 1000 learning, but it is now 1000 days 10,000 learning, thanks to him. And make sure you watch this whole series. I really need to study a lot, and I hardly find any information about Brian on the internet. I watch his interviews, reviews. I spend at least 2 days searching about him. Okay, so make sure you like this video and comment down. And okay, I will be working on your comment down on the person from whose you comment down the name, and I will give you learning from him in the next video. So till then, catch up in the next video. Bye.